guys! Today we're going to learn how to add this scrolling animation to your website in Wix Studio without writing a single line of code. This is a great way to make your website more dynamic and grab users' attention. Here's how to make it. Open Wix Studio and change the background color first. Scroll down and apply the advanced CSS grid. Let's add one more column. Now go to Add Elements and choose a container. Move it to the right side. Resize and align it center. And remove the background color. Go to Add Elements, choose an image, and move it to the container. Stretch it. And replace it with the first character's background. Scroll down and round the corners. Now we need to add a character image to the container. Resize it. And replace it with the first character's image. Great! Let's add a gradient image. Resize and replace it. Align it. Now go to Add Elements and choose a title. Move it to the left side. Replace the text and adjust it. Change the color, font, size, and so on. Let's add the name of the first character the same way. Replace the text and adjust it. Go to Add Elements and choose a paragraph. Replace it with the first character's description and adjust it. Hold Shift, select all texts, and click Stack. Align it center. When our design is done, click on Section and go to Animations and Effects. Click on Scroll and change Animated Element to the character's background. Choose the 3D spin animation and adjust it. Change rotation here and go to the next animation. Click Add and change Animated Element to the character's image. Choose the shrink animation and adjust it. Change direction and scale. And let's add the next animation. Change Animated Element to Stack. Choose the fade animation and change in to out. Now click on Stack and add another animation. Click Add, choose the fly animation and adjust it. Change direction. And now just duplicate this section and replace all the info inside. Repeat the same steps with the remaining sections. And there you have it, a simple yet eye-catching effect for your website. Click Publish. If you like my tutorials and don't want to miss new ones, click like and subscribe. As usual, I left all the links and resources in the description below, so go to Wix Studio and let's create magic together.